Hi, my name is Robert Adams. Our law firm is Robert J. Adams and Associates. Our primary practice is bankruptcy, Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. To let you know, we have offices in Chicago and Waukegan, Illinois, and we handle cases remotely over the phone or by Zoom. The topic of this video is money judgments in foreclosure, or can you wind up having a deficiency in a foreclosure? What do I mean by this? Well, when you got a mortgage on your home, you not only gave a lien to the mortgage company, you also signed a promissory note that says, I will pay a certain amount of money over a period of time, etc. What happens when there's a foreclosure, though? When a home is lost in a foreclosure. At the end of the foreclosure, after you lost the house, can you still owe money? And unfortunately, the answer is yes. Kind of a bitter pill. That's what's called the deficiency judgment. What happens, the mortgage company at some point is successful in getting a judgment. And at some point, they proceed to a sheriff's sale. Technically, it's a judicial sale. What happens at the sale? People bid. Anyone can bid. There will be a successful bidder. The successful bidder could well bid more than the amount owed. In some circumstances, the mortgage company itself will bid exactly the amount of the judgment. But more commonly, the mortgage company will bid something less than what is owed. And that becomes a deficiency. A quick example, which may or may not apply to your circumstances. The judgment is for $300,000 and the mortgage company bids $250,000. They wind up getting the title to the house and you still owe $50,000. Since there's a judgment, the mortgage company can proceed any which way it wishes, including garnishing your wages, filing what's called a judgment lien, which kind of screws up your ability to rebuild your credit, and they can report it to the credit bureau. They can garnish your bank accounts or whatever. Kind of a bitter pill to swallow. You lose your home and you still owe money. What can you do? Well, it seems to me the best thing to do is just to file Chapter 7 and you owe nothing. Sometimes, for whatever reason, you may wind up filing a Chapter 13. In that case, the deficiency judgment becomes what is called a general unsecured creditor, and it's paid a dividend, hopefully a small dividend, usually somewhere around 10 cents on the dollar. That's what the best solution is a bankruptcy. Are there protections or limitations? Yes, there are. I have laid out about 6 or 7 of them in the accompanying article. Read them, maybe they'll apply to you. Maybe they don't. I don't know. Okay, well, that's about the end of this video. I hope it has been informative and maybe even helped you. When you're faced with a deficiency in a foreclosure case, you're best off talking to a lawyer experienced in bankruptcy law. Hopefully you'll call us. I want to thank you for watching the video. As I said, I hope it's helpful to you, and God bless you.